lesson. Today, we are looking at equation in mathematics. Please make sure you are following the episode. This is under equation, we have did fraction. And the next one is equation. And if you have never worked the fraction, go and watch it. Because when we are working in equation, there are some things that you will not be able to know, because until you understand fraction very well, you can be able to cope in equation. Now let's all look at it. Equation. What do we mean by equation? Equation means balancing. That's it. Equation means balancing and separating an object or separating a number from the one that doesn't have, separating a number from alphabet. That's all. That's the only way we can say. What did I mean is that equation always represent equal to. Let us say number. If I see number here, 3 plus x plus 5 plus x equal to 6 plus x plus 7. Look at this. Equation means separating all this number. This place will represent number. This place will represent number. And this place will represent alphabet. Mean alphabet and number will separate all of them. Now, the number, the alphabet will be in this side, the number will be in this side. That's what we mean by equation. Let us look at it. Let's look at example that you can really understand what we mean. When we have x plus 6 plus 3x equal to 11 plus 5x. Like this one, the first thing that we need to do, look at it. The equal to is the one that separates this from this. They are mixing together. This one is alphabet, they have alphabet. They have alphabet. They are the same. This one, they have number, is a number. Now, number will go to this side, and alphabet will come to this side. But the only thing is that anytime that a number that is going, they are passing through this equal to, the symbol will change. Like this one now, let's all look at it. What is the number that is here already? Because they are not moving. X plus 3x is under number. When this one is going to come to this side, what is here? It is plus. When it is coming, you turn to minus 5x. Now, what is the number that is here? 11. You don't need, this one is not moving because it is already here. What are the number that will go to that side? Is plus what? 6. When it's passing, it will turn to what? Minus 6. Do you see now? It's by separating alphabet from the number. Alphabet from the number. Now, when we have this one will be what? 4x. 4x, because it's a visible plus here. Now, minus 5x equal to this one minus this. It will give us what? It will give us what? 5. Are you getting it now? Now, minus 4x minus 5. What is the answer? It gives us minus x. It gives us 1 minus x equal to what? 5. Now, after that, don't let anything be with the x. That's the question, that don't let anything at all be with the x. Now, if you don't let anything be with the x, you divide it with the what? X. What is the number? The coefficient of this number is minus. You now divide it by what? By the value of that. You now minus what? 1. Go here again, did the same thing. Minus what? 1. Cancel, cancel. Remain x. Now, who can you tell me the what? The number that is with 5. The number that is with 5 is plus. There is plus here, a visible plus. And minus divided by plus is minus. And 1 divided by 5 is what? 5. That's the answer. The value of x is what? Is minus 5. Now let's all look at another one that we can really understand deeper. This is number 1. Number 2. Let's all look at number 2. Number 2. Now, 3x plus 11 equal to 5x plus 16. Find the value of x. Now, to solve this question is very simple. You do the same thing, separating each other. Now, what do we mean by separating each other? 3x plus minus 5x equal to, take this one to this side, we now do what? 16. Take this one, minus 11. Do you see, I separate each other. There is a visible plus here. This is a visible plus. When it is going to this side, it will turn to negative. When this one is going to this side, it will turn to what? When this one is going to this side, it will turn to negative. Now, it will now be what? This one minus this. Now, 3 plus, there is visible plus 3 minus 4, minus 5. It will give us minus what? It will give us minus 3. I know that's what? Minus what? Minus 2x. This one, what this one will give us? It will give us 5. 5 is plus 5. Now divide both sides by minus 2. Divide by minus what? 2. You cancel. X will now be what? 5 all over minus 2. Now there is a visible plus with 5. Invisible plus. Now minus divided by plus will give us what? Minus 5 all over 2. We cannot leave our answer like this. That's why I have already told you that the time that we are doing this, I've told you that when we are doing fraction, I've explained that. Now, this one, we need to change it to mixed fraction. It will now be what? 2 whole number minus 2 whole number minus what? 2 whole number, 1 all over 2. That's the answer. Minus 2 whole number, 1 all over what? 1 all over 2. Let us look at another question on it. Another question on it. Let me write it here. Now, number 3, example. It's very simple. When we have 6x plus 7 plus 3x, let me put minus, equal to 7s minus 17. Minus 17. Find the value of x. How can we do this? Find the value of x. It's very simple. You do the same thing, separating alphabet from the number. Now, it will be minus 6x plus 3x. When this one is going to this place, minus 7x equal to, what is the number that is here? Minus 17. Minus 17. When this one is going to this side, it will become minus what? 7. Are you getting it now? Minus what? 7. Now, what can we do with this one? Minus 6 plus 6 minus 7. What is the answer? Minus 6. Now, what is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? This one is 3. And add this with this one, it will give us 10. Minus what? 10x. Now, this one, minus will give us 4 and 2. That's 20, I think is 14, yes. That's 24. Now, minus what? 24. The answer is minus. Now divide both sides by what? Don't let anything be with the x. Don't let anything be with the x. That because we are separating at what? Each other. We are separating the alphabet from the number. And there is a number with the x all over minus 10. Go here, the same thing, all over minus, cancel. S will be what? Minus divided by minus is what? Plus. 2 here, 5. 2 here, 12. It will now be 12 all over 5. S will be what? It will be what? 2 whole number. 1, it will be what? 2 all over 5. That's 2 all over 5. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you don't understand, make sure you comment. And if you don't understand, make sure you go back and look at it. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you.